Hi everyone, a working brake system of a car that is driven every day should look like this shiny surface without rust and other marks. The appearance of rust on the brake discs of the car what you use every day, cracks or chips, and also the appearance of various noises, grinding, impacts, squeaks when you braking indicates the presence of a problem in the system. To determine the cause, it's necessary to disassemble the unit and diagnose it, so jack up the car and remove the wheel. The problem appeared about a month ago. Here you can clearly see the lack of full contact of the brake pad with the disc. To remove the caliper from the caliper bracket, use an 18mm open-end wrench and a ratchet with a 10mm socket to unscrew the two bolts that hold it. You also need a hook to hang the caliper on. To remove the caliper, you also need to press the brake cylinder inward a little. I do this by pushing a little against the metal part of the brake pad in this place. Now check the guide pins. The upper pin is movable, there are no question about its operation. But I can't move the lower pin or move it by hand. I ordered a repair kit that contains everything we might need. Using pliers and WD-40, I was able to get it moved. I will change only the lower pin with pin boot. I checked in the manual in this car, it's allowed to change only one pin of the caliper, but in some cars you need to change the whole set at once, without partial replacement of only one element. There is visible rust on the caliper pin, the coating is damaged, so replacing it. Clean the place for the new pin. For this we need sandpaper, brake cleaner and a wire brush for drill. Use a special grease for guide pins. Check that the guide pin of the caliper moves good without any problems. Then install pin boot. Well, now put it all back together. The caliper guide pin is tightened to a torque of 28 Newton meters. The working surface of the brake disc will return to normal in a couple of days. Here is the same disc after 2 days. And after 5 days. Thanks for watching. I hope the video helped you to solve your problem.